This is the first tutorial on how we can develop cozie and general overview of the code and how we can kind of develop these Fitbit apps. It can also serve as a tutorial for people that are getting into Fitbit development itself. I am going to be using the Fitbit CLI in this tutorial, and I'm going to assume that you've already installed this and have Node and npm already installed on your computer. So in order to get started, let's just kind of create a new just temporary working directory for me here, and we're going to initiate our Git repository. And on the cozie website, you can find, not the cozie website, the GitHub page under Bud's Lab. We're going to clone this repository. And once this is done, let's cd into the cozie and just type in npm install. Will basically install all the packages that we need. This just takes a few seconds. Perfect. There are these weird 3 vulnerabilities. It's on the Fitbit side, not on our side. So, but if anyone's got a fix for that, I would love to see that. So here is our general folder structure, and more or less, I will go into the folder structure in the next tutorial, but what I want to get into at the moment is this package.json. So this has the general information about our development. Now, what's important are these build targets. So these 4 items, Higgs, Meson, Gemini, Mira, these are the names of the Fitbit watches. So Higgs is the Fitbit Ionic, Meson is Versa, Gemini is Versa Lite, and Mira is Versa 2. So if I don't want my app to build for Ionic, for example, I just simply delete that, and it would no longer be Ionic compatible. And the other one are these versions. So at the moment we're running the Fitbit SDK version 4.0 and 1.7. This is okay for now. However, if a new Fitbit watch kind of comes on the market and it needs a different development, you will need to then modify this accordingly. So once this is installed, we just type npx fitbit and it doesn't work. Let's try this again. Okay, I probably spelled something wrong up there. Anyway, so I'm already actually logged in. If you're not logged in already, it'll open up a browser and ask you to log in. And from here, I can just type build, and this starts building the application for me. So building app for the 4 items that we just talked about earlier. And I'm going to open up the OS simulator, installing this. I just find it very convenient for development, so to speak. It's actually already built here. And if I now type install, it's auto-connecting to the simulator, will sideload the app and launch the cozie application. And now from here I can do all sorts of stuff, like select the questions that I want. And you might notice as I do this, all the console logs, for example, appear directly here. So anything within the code where there's a console log statement will then essentially appear on here. And so this is kind of using the simulator, but I can also have this built locally on my actual watch itself. So of course I don't have a little screenshot of my phone right now, but provided that you've got a development account on Fitbit, you can connect to the development bridge using your cell phone, and you can also connect to it, which I'm doing right now on my watch. So now I can go connect phone, because my phone is now, my actual physical cell phone is now connected, and it's now connected to PJ's cell phone. I can then go connect device. I have a Versa 2, so it's connected now to my cell phone and my Versa 2. I can now build it again. And finally I install, and crossing our fingers, this should now build and install on my watch. So I can now leave a piece of feedback, for example, and I can see everything coming up here, and it's very nice. And so this is very good for, and now that this is installed on my watch, I can walk away and continue using this development version of the app until I'm very confident with it, at which point I can then prepare a pull request. Cool, that is all for now. In the next tutorial, I'm going to go over the actual folder file structure and how we can actually start developing the cozie application.